Hey, what's up everyone? It's Jono here from jono-armstrong.com. Welcome to my Loopz review. Now I'm here inside of the members area of Loopz, and during this video I'm going to give you a demo and a run through of exactly what this does and how it works. In a nutshell, Loopz is going to allow you to clone other people's sales pages exactly as they are. It's going to allow you to change the text. It's going to allow you to add different elements like review videos or any videos. It's going to allow you to replace the buy buttons with your affiliate links and stuff like that. And here's an example of what one of these sites looks like. Now this is actually taken from the Crypto Profits sales page, and it looks pretty much exactly the same as you can see here. Now what you're able to do with Loopz is add your own video to the top, add your own buy buttons in there, add your own headlines, change any of this text, which is pretty cool. Now the way that I'm going to show you how to use this properly is not really by using it in the way that these guys want you to use it, although that is an option. But I think it's better that you use this to replicate people's sales pages as a very cheap option rather than buying something like ClickFunnels to create your own sales pages. You already have the design of somebody else's sales pages, and you can also change the text using the Loopz app for your own products, which I think is a way better way of using this. But anyway, I'm going to show you both ways and see what's going on here. It looks like this. It says every time we hit refresh, we see $47 payments over and over. It's possible by exploiting a $5 billion loophole. So sounds pretty interesting, and unfortunately there's no pop-ups when you try to exit, so this is going to be 19 bucks. There isn't. Is pretty cool. $100,000 withdrawn. You can see some more income proof down here. You can see the 3-step process and all of the other income proofs from other beta testers, etc. Check it out in your own time. I'm not going to spend too much time on here because it is pretty lengthy. I'm just going to dive into the members area right now and show you around and show you exactly what this does. So this is the dashboard right here where you've got all of your traffic stats and stuff like that. Now, first of all, what you need to do is go and find a sales page to clone. You can do that inside of the best sellers section here. Now, you've got Warrior Plus offers and you've got JVZoo offers. I'm just going to go to Warrior Plus and go and find a sales page that I want to use together with Loopz. So this is going to take you to the top sellers on Warrior Plus. And if we just go to the past 30 days, I'll probably just actually use my own sales page from Latitude. So I'm going to click on here and it's going to take me through to Latitude. Now this is the sales page that I created. As you can see, pretty awesome. Now what you can do when you're on here is you just grab this URL. You probably can't see it because I've masked it out. Let me just okay, so you grab the URL right here, okay, and you're going to go back over to Loopz, and then you're going to go to Loopz sites down here. So click on there and click on Create Loopz down here. So all you need to do is paste in that URL and click Submit. So now it's going to load up the page and it's going to allow you to start editing all of this stuff. So you can change any of the digits on here. Okay, you can change any of the text on here to whatever you want, which is in itself pretty cool. You can also go and add elements in here, like add a video. So you can go and grab a video from YouTube, preferably one of your own. So I'm just going to use this one right here. I'm going to copy the video URL back into Loopz, paste that in there, insert, boom. It's just been added right in the middle right here. Now you can move this around. If you want to add the video further up, you can move that further up there. You can also add a button in here, so you can put your link inside of here, your affiliate link. You can go and grab your affiliate link, put that there. You can put some text inside the button. So pick this up here. All right, insert, and then you've got this button here. Now you can move this button around, you can put it underneath the video, you can put it wherever you want, and eventually make the page look something like this. So there you have a clone of somebody else's sales page that you can change the text of with your own features on here. Now the way that I suggest that you actually use this is if I just remove some of these elements that I've put in here. How do you remove it? Okay, I'm not sure how to remove it. There is a way to do it up here somewhere. I haven't played around with this enough. But anyway, what I suggest that you do is you take somebody else's sales page and you change it with your own text. And you can go over to a place like Fiverr. Okay, and you can go and find sales page copy. So what this means is all of the text, let me just go back. This is all of the text that they're called copywriters, okay? These guys are professional people that write the text on these sales pages, right? So you can go and hire one of these guys, like this guy for $50. He's going to write you your sales page copy, or this lady here is a bit more expensive, but they're going to write all the copy that you need for your sales page. So you can go and pay them to go and write it if you don't want to write it yourself, and then you can go and use the stuff that they've written and go into Loopz and then start changing it according to your own headline. Start changing it according to your own text that you want putting in here. And very quickly, you have your own sales page that you can use to sell your own product. All you need to do is change these buy buttons here with your own link. So you put your own link in here. Okay, and then when people click on the buy buttons on your version of the sales page, they're going to go through and purchase your product. So that's the best way that I think that you should be using Loopz for. But obviously, these guys are going to show you how to do it their way. So if I just go back, and you have a bunch of these done-for-you Loopz sites that these guys have made for you. So all you would need to do here is just clone it, and then you can go in there, and you can go and edit it however you want. So you click on the edit button, and it will take you through to the site that they've made, and all you would need to do is just go and edit some of this stuff inside of here, okay, and go and edit the links and go and edit it with your, so like for example this one, you click on the edit button, and then you can go and change the links. You can go and add countdown timers, you can go and add pop-ups, right, all of this stuff that you can add in, and you can go and change the existing buttons that are in there with your own affiliate links. Okay, now this is taking a bit of a long time to load up, so I think you get the idea. Now once you've made your sites, you can come through to Loopz sites here, and you click on manage Loopz sites. You've got all of the URLs of the sites that you've created inside of Loopz, and they're all self-hosted by Loopz as well, which is another bonus because it means that you don't need to have your own website. Then you can start sharing on these social media platforms to try and get traffic. Now, is this very effective? Not really. Unless you have an existing following on these social media platforms, it's not really going to help you. Which from here, and paste it, and then you would simply send your traffic to this URL, which has your countdown timers on there, it has your videos on there, it has your affiliate links embedded in all of these buttons here. So that's basically the way that you would use it. Okay, now there's also a bonus library in here that I haven't really checked out, but the idea behind this is that you can give people bonuses when they purchase through your link, which is something that I do all the time, as you've seen, right? And this comes preloaded with a bunch of different bonuses that you can use for your bonus deliveries, right? You've also got an ads builder, which I didn't find very helpful at all, so I'm not even going to show you. But basically, it's a way that you can create image ads. It's got an image builder in there, but basically just go and use Canva. It's going to be a lot easier. There's also some training inside of here, which is going to be updated. I've got a beta access to Loopz, so it's not been updated in here. And you can access support as well. So that is basically everything inside of Loopz. I'll talk to you about the prices and the upsells right now. As we know, the front end is only going to be $19. And for that front end, you're going to get access to everything that I've just shown you, plus all the bonuses that I mentioned to you at the beginning of this video as well, which makes this pretty epic, right? So that's the front end. Upsell number 1 is going to be the unlimited version. This is going to be $47, and this is going to allow you to create unlimited websites, which I definitely suggest that you pick up, especially if you're going to be making websites or making these sales pages for your own products in the future. This is definitely the easiest way to do it. Upsell number 2 is done for you. This is going to be $297. Why is this so expensive? Well, these guys are actually going to go and set up everything on your behalf. All you need to do is just give them your affiliate links. They'll go in there and set everything up professionally on your behalf, which means that you don't really need to do anything at all. And that's why this is such a high price, because there's a lot of manual labor that goes into this, right? Upsell number 3 is the automation. This is going to be $47, and this is going to allow you to get traffic completely automated. So that's something to consider. Upsell number 4 is going to be unlimited traffic, and this is further traffic that these guys are going to send to you in an unlimited amount, and this is going to be $97. Upsell number 5 is the license rights. This is going to be $197. This is basically going to allow you to sell Loopz as if it is your own product. All you would do is simply send your own product. All you would do is simply send your traffic to this exact sales page when you have that reseller's license, and you get to keep 100% of all of these price points, including these 3-figure price points as well, which is pretty cool. So if you have that license, you're basically going to double your money. Upsell number 6 is the commission multiplier. I don't know what this is. You're going to have to look for more information on that sales page when you go to that upsell page, but that is going to be $77. Right? Go and check out the demo video of Loopz below.